I'm not walking forward.
Good morning. It's a nice chilly 45 degrees, Jacksonville, Florida on the Timucuan Trail. And gonna do a little hiking.
Nose is running, eyes are watering.
Yeah.
One of those mornings.
Here, why don't you get up with him so you can talk? Judging that. One of the things I will say is I walk on my treadmill, I get attention if I walk up to 3.5.
Yeah.
But I can't.
This is typically the cooler section. I like to call the AC section of the trail. In the summer when it's 100 degrees, it's a brisk 90 in this area because of the shade and breeze coming in
And the more you do all of it,
off the river
it's going to increase your endurance.
that direction and the pond that direction.
I go with my girls or magpies. I can't keep up. Not with my pace.
But otherwise, this is a very nice section of the trail. Nice little tree to rest under. Summer heat, it would be good to hang out here. Take a seat on the bench. Morning. By the way, this is the transition to start elevation. That continues the other trail. This goes uphill. 110 feet, I think. About a mile and a half now, and it's not a bad hike. A little chilly. Yesterday was 75 degrees. This morning we woke up to 40. Well, I guess that's Florida weather. So if you're going to complain about the weather, wait 24 hours and it'll be a little different. Definitely got to love the routes here on this trail. Now we're coming up towards the peak, which is the highest elevation on the trail. I think 110 feet. And we have some other hikers. Morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
And here we are. 110 feet. View of the river and marsh.
Dale taking his selfies here.
Let's go look at the good stuff. Hey, look. There's a bench.
Yeah, well, you know what Marissa says.
That's right.
When there's a bench, sit down.
Yeah, because they built it here.
Okay, now the descension from the peak. Peak of the trash heap. No real mountain or anything. Again, you see all the shells from thousands of years of Timucuan Indians throwing the oyster shells up here. And fortunately, it's cool. Coming up shortly is a location where we spotted an alligator back in September. I guess he was doing some fishing down in the marsh and was heading back to the pond that we passed earlier. And being as it's Florida, you will find all sorts of wildlife. Alligators, snakes.
Wow, that was actually really quick, you know.
Yep. We're doing it at a fair pace, and we're in no particular rush, because afterwards we'll just go home and have a little lunch. During hurricane season, often enough this section of the trail gets flooded from the marsh down there. But it's a nice, lovely walking section. Easy on the feet. The John Brown cabin. This blue trail will take you back around to the green.
Yeah, so we're right there.
Yeah, he's like 65 years old. Yep. And here we are at the halfway point, roughly 2.5 miles in. This is a far end of the trail section with a parking lot.
Well, I don't know all that. I don't know.
And they have nice facilities with
Run across and avoid it.
picnic table, etc.
That's the only one I have.
And we're off again. Heading back to our cars. It'll be about 2.5 miles, something like that. And here's the Brown family cemetery. Not quite sure how old this is.
Preparing for vlogging thing.